Hello, it's Cameron Manchester, and this is my presentation on different innovations in California. So, what I found interesting was how many companies originated in California, including Google, eBay, Twitter, Disney, Tesla, Yahoo, Netflix, Pandora, just to name a few. But the one that I wanted to focus on is Apple. So, the first Apple computer was invented in 1976 by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. And it was very interesting to hear how two friends just decided to come together and bring all of their different ideas and the intelligence that they have and invent something that has evolved into what it is now. So, just with starting with the invention of the mouse and seeing how everything that used to be on a computer can now be on our phone, and how everything on our phone can now be on a watch, on Apple Watches, and how everything has gone from just clicking on a computer with a mouse to getting it on our phone where we can talk to people. Now we can text, listen to music, take pictures, pay for our food, turn lights on and off, play games, watch movies, how all of that can be done now on our iPhones. And in turn, now we can do most of that on our Apple Watches and just look at our wrist and see a mini iPhone. And so a man by the name of Landino said, "Within a few more years, I expect regular cell phones to disappear entirely. We may not even call smartphones smart anymore," which is so interesting to hear how we once had something as basic as a computer and how exciting that was, to now not even considering smartphones to be smart anymore, of how we're just going to continue to invent new and better things. I think of the gold rush and how there's a California dream of growing and inventing as many things as possible in the best way possible. It reminds me of how we are today, where we just want to create new things and then make the old things better. We have ideas and we want to make them reality. We have a drive for more. So the miners, they wanted more and more gold, so they created faster and easier ways to get more gold. So with technology, we just want faster and easier ways to be able to download our music or to communicate with people 20 states away. So we still have that same drive and that same desire to make things better and easier for all of us. So, thank you for listening.